In this video, we will see how to become a Twitch affiliate. Let's get started. To get affiliation from Twitch, you have to fulfill the requirements first. Let's see the requirements. In the affiliate program, we need to complete 4 requirements. Reach 50 followers. Stream for 8 hours. Stream on 7 different days. And reach an average of 3 viewers. All these 4 achievements must be fully completed to be invited to the affiliate program. Here I am on Twitch.tv website. Click over Sign Up. Enter username. A strong password. Click over the next step. Enter a phone number. Or use email instead. I will go with the email. Move on next step. Enter the date of birth. And click over Sign Up. Here enter your verification code of 6 digits that Twitch sent to your email address. Paste here. And it will be submitted automatically. My account has been created. Now you can see online streaming, videos, and parties. Let's go over here and open the channel. Scroll down. Here in your home you can see your videos. I will customize my channel, so click over Edit. Here I am on the channel dashboard. You can start live streaming from here. In Alerts, you can see Twitch alerts. In Analytics, you can see your channel overview, research, achievements, stream summary, viewers, discovery, and engagement. In the community, you can see the role manager, his activity, and his followers list. In Content, you can explore video production, collections, and clips. In Settings, you can check stream, channel, and moderation. In Viewer Rewards, you can check rewards and guest stars. You can explore streaming tools, extensions, and creator camps. I just created a Twitch account, that's why I am not eligible for affiliation. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.